And now we are seeing Sonka going to this big bull. Touch it on the head, he likes it. He's hungry, he likes you. He likes you, Sonka. Oh, he's too small, he cannot do anything to you. He wants to eat, just untie him. Yeah, this. Through the hole. Do you see the hole? Do you see the circle? Yeah, bro. Just put this through this and let him go. He likes you. He likes everybody. He just want to go to it. Yeah, put this through the hole and that's it.
You're not letting me put it through the hole.
Yeah, now. Yeah, bro. Did you?
No, I can't do it.
I will push you back. No, you will do it. I will push you back. Now. Did you? Woo! Now he's free.
Why are you doing that?
He's crazy. Where are you going? Teacher. Teacher. Tu. He's crazy. Idź se. A jest. Jest. Come on. Smell him?